When you're looking at a ducted split AC, you aren't just buying a box that sits outside, you're buying the heart of your home's comfort. I'm the HVAC Repair Guy. I spent my early years as a nuclear power electrician before I traded the reactors for the dirt and attics of the HVAC world. With 17 years in the game, I've seen what works when the mercury hits 100 degrees and what ends up as scrap metal. Today, we're doing a fair apple-to-apple comparison between the Concord 7AC14F and the Fraser-Johnston TC4. Let's talk shop about what's actually protecting your investment. The Concord 7AC14F comes with a louvered steel coil guard. In my book, that's superior armor. It's a solid barrier against hail, stray rocks from a lawnmower, and even the neighborhood dog. Now, looking at the Fraser-Johnston TC4, the data shows it does not have a louvered coil. Instead, it uses slotted panels. While they let plenty of air through, they leave those delicate aluminum fins a lot more vulnerable to physical damage. One bad hailstorm, and your efficiency could take a permanent hit because those fins are crushed flat. Technically, these are both single-stage basic tier systems. The Concord 7AC14F comes in with a 14.0 SEER rating, while the Fraser-Johnston TC4 sits a bit higher at 14.3 SEER. From an electrician's perspective, single-stage means these compressors are either 100% on or 100% off. There's no low gear. That simple electrical setup is reliable and easier to fix, but you won't see the massive power bill savings you'd get from an inverter. Neither of these units includes a compressor blanket from the factory, so expect to hear that signature thump when the contactor pulls in and the unit starts up. Have you ever had a coil fail because of hail or a stray rock from a mower? Tell me your stories below. This is where the rubber meets the road. Both brands offer a standard 10-year parts and 10-year compressor warranty. However, when we look at unit replacement coverage, what I call the no-hassle clause, neither model offers it. If that compressor burns out in year 5, the manufacturer will give you a new compressor, but you're still on the hook for the labor, refrigerant, and the sweat of the tech who has to swap it out. If I'm the one pulling the vacuum pump on your install, I'm giving the win to the Concord 7AC14F. Even though the Fraser-Johnston has a tiny edge in SEER, the Concord's louvered coil protection is the field-tested choice. In the real world, a protected coil stays efficient longer than a damaged one, and that steel cabinet is going to look a lot better 10 years down the line. To shop like a pro, head over to the HVAC for Beginners website and use my head-to-head tool to compare over 170 models. Make sure you hit subscribe and like the video. See you on the next one.